Welcome back everyone. So if you are still using the older build of Windows 11 like 21H2 or 22H2, then you are missing a lot of new features and even face problem while installing many kind of update or many kind of application, or even while upgrading Windows 11 to any custom ISO. So without any delay, let's quickly get started and see that how exactly you need to upgrade Windows 11 older build to the newer build of 23H2. And before starting guys, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe if this video helped you out, as it will not cost you any money but will surely help my channel to bring more valuable videos for you. So currently I'm on a Windows 11 21H2. Let me quickly show you. If I search for WinWar and hit the enter key, so you can see that it's Windows 11 version 21H2. So in order to upgrade it to the latest build, that is 23H2, the very first thing that I would recommend you that you go ahead and try updating your Windows 11 machine. So for that you have to right click on Windows icon, click on settings. From the left hand menu option you will have to go and click on Windows Update. And here you can see that I have an update available that says version 22H2. Alright, so what you can do now, you can go and click on check for update or download the update that are available, or if it's been already downloaded then you can click on restart now to update to the latest version. And once it get updated to 22H2, again you can run the update and then you can find the 23H2 update that will be updating your operating system. And in case if you get multiple kind of update, then you have to basically look for the update that says KB5031455. Alright, so this is the first method to update your older version of Windows 11 to the newer version of 23H2. And I would also recommend you that keep going updating your Windows until you get the latest version of Windows 11. But in case if this method doesn't work for you, as many of you might have tried updating Windows, and in case if it's not working, then next what you have to do, you will have to download the Windows 11 23H2 ISO. So for that, bring up any of your favorite browser, search for Windows 11 ISO download. Then you will have to click on the first link of Microsoft. Now here scroll down a bit. You will find download Windows 11 disk image. Click on the drop down, choose Windows 11 multi-edition, click on download. Choose the product language. Now here you have to be very careful. You need to choose the same product language that you had on the current Windows 11 version. And if you're not sure, then you can quickly find out. For that you have to click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes. And here you have to type a simple command that is dism space /online space /get-intl. You will also get this command in the description. You can copy and paste as well. Once you do it, hit the enter key, and here it will let you know that what is your current installed language. And on my end you can see I have English United States. So what I will do, I will go back, and from the drop down I will choose the same language. Then click on confirm and then click on 64-bit download, and the downloading will be started, and it's around 6.3 gigabytes, so it will take some time. And also make sure that you are not connected with the limited data plan, as it will be taking around 6.3 gigabyte of data. Alright, so wait until the downloading has been completed. Okay, so once the downloading is completed, now what you have to do next, right click on it, click on mount, click on open. And here you will find all the installation file of Windows 11. So now here what you have to do, you need to select them all using the Ctrl+A key. Once selected, right click on it and choose copy. Now come back to your desktop, make a right click here, hold up to new, choose folder and rename it to like Win11 23H2 or just 23H2 so that you can quickly identify. Now paste all these Windows installation file in this folder. So double click on it, open it and paste all the file over here. So once all the files are been copied, you will have to unmount the ISO that we mounted. So for that, right click on this DVD drive on the left hand side, right click on it and choose eject. And then bring up this 23H2 folder again where you copied all the Windows 11 installation file. Open it. Now here, if you are on a supported hardware that can run Windows 11 23H2 easily, then you can directly click on the setup file here, click on yes, and Windows 11 setup page will now be coming up. So now here you can click on next, and then it will be checking for the update, and go ahead with the installation process, and it's very simple to install. But in case if you are on an unsupported hardware, then you will be getting the error message that it doesn't meet the requirement. So for that, what you will have to do, you need to close the setup page. Again, bring up the 23H2 folder that you created on your desktop. Now here in the installation files, you will find a folder by the name sources. Double click on it. And in the sources folder, you have to look for a file here, a DLL file by the name appraisers.dll. So keep scrolling down and you will find a file here by the name appraisers.dll. Now make sure that it's not appraiser.dll. This is the one exactly you have to look for. Now once you get it, right click on it, click on open with, click on show apps, choose notepad, click on OK. Now here what you have to do, you need to delete all the things located inside the notepad. So here from the left and top menu option, click on edit. Then click on select all, then right click on it and choose delete. Now once it get deleted, close it, click on save, then go back, again click on the setup file here, click on yes, and Windows 11 setup page will be up again. Now here you have to click on change how setup download update, and here you have to select the second option that says not right now. Now don't worry, you would be able to update your Windows 11 once Windows 11 has been installed. Now click on next. Now it will be checking your PC and it will bypass the Windows 11 requirement page. So click on accept. Then it says ready to install. It says install Windows 11 Pro, keep personal file and application. So make sure that it's been selected to keep personal file and app. In case if you want to delete anything, like you only want to keep the personal file, then you can go with this option. And if you want to delete everything, then you can go with the third option. I won't be deleting any file or application, so I will keep this selected to the first option. Click on next, and then finally click on install. So now the installation process will be started and it will take some time, so kindly wait until the installation process has been completed. Okay, so finally our Windows 11 build 21H2 has been successfully upgraded to 23H2, and you can see that none of the data has been affected. Now if I again click on my Windows search, type WinVer, hit the enter key. So you can see here it's 23H2 now, that is the latest version of Windows 11. So this is how you can easily upgrade from 21H2 or 22H2 to 23H2 of Windows 11 without losing any kind of data and without needing any kind of bootable USB. And hopefully guys you found this video helpful. If yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.